Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today we're tackling a common problem many WordPress users face: SSL certificate errors or security warnings showing up on their websites. If you've ever seen that not secure message in your browser or mixed content errors, this guide will walk you through a simple fix using a free plugin. Let's dive in. First, make sure you already have an SSL certificate installed on your website. This plugin won't install one for you. It just helps configure your site to use it properly. Most hosting providers offer free SSL certificates like Let's Encrypt, so check your hosting control panel to confirm it's active. Once that's sorted, log into your WordPress dashboard. Head to Plugins. Add New and search for Really Simple SSL. Don't confuse it with other SSL plugins. This one's the most reliable. Click Install Now, then Activate. Once activated, you'll notice a green SSL Shield icon in your dashboard menu. Now, the plugin might ask you to select your hosting provider. If you're using Contabo or another host, choose it here. If you're unsure, just skip this step. It usually handles things automatically. Next, you'll see a setup wizard asking if you want to enable certain features. For basic security, toggle on the redirect to HTTPS and the mixed content fixer. These ensure all traffic uses HTTPS and fixes insecure elements like images or scripts loading over HTTP. Once you've made your selections, click Save Changes. The plugin will update your site's configuration, and you'll see a progress bar indicating it's working. Now, visit your website in a browser and check the address bar. You should see a padlock icon and HTTPS JS in the URL. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick note about the Pro version. The plugin offers premium features like firewall protection and automatic certificate renewal, but the free version does a solid job for most sites. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you'd like deeper dives into specific SSL topics. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.